This is the Mediterranean. And I have here something that took place yesterday. I've come back down to try and document it because, well, I had to figure it out first. Since the jet stream crossed the Arctic current, and it just sent this massive energy down across Europe, something has changed here after what was an incredible storm surge coming from out there. And what has changed is there are pottery shards. And I knew straight away because I've made pottery, so I know the difference between clay and stone. And I saw all these pieces. It's all in bits and pieces, and I'm going to try and explain what it is, because it's all over the place, and that's the whole point. There's lots of them. It's not just, I'll try and, there are lots of them all over the place. On the sandy shore, but this is a completely new occurrence. Let me try and show. Some of them are stone, but others, they're broken pieces of pottery, clay pottery. And at first I was thinking, oh wow, that's interesting. And then during the night I began to figure it out, and I thought, wait a minute, because I see, I mean, you could on the one hand say ghosts, but they're not ghosts. I can see in windows of the past and be aware of the human consciousness, or there are beings that are responsible for the earth and for humans. And if you have the ability to listen to that, then you will be able to understand past, present and future as one. And so what took place was I realised, well, wait a minute, where is all this coming from? All this broken clay pottery. And what I realised is it's just everywhere, but it's only since the storm surge. It's coming from out there. These shards of pottery that were pushed in on the shore from the storm surge, they're coming from out there, way out there, and I'll try and show it to you. From what I saw quite some time ago, quite a few months ago, I saw some ghosts trapped in a location on the shore of the Mediterranean. And they were in quite a disturbed state, and usually you'll see one or two ghosts, but I was seeing like, man, oh, there's a lot, let's just say hundreds. There's just a lot. I can see quite a number, and that's not usual, and this isn't usual either. This is the pool. This is the pool where I've been here many times at this time of the day. Wait a minute, what is it? Yeah. Usually I arrive here around 11 o'clock in the morning, and I've been here before at that time, and I was able to walk around this area. And now it looks like there's potentially a slight rise in the sea level, but it's so subtle, the rise, that you wouldn't notice it in terms of, like, it's not exactly going to wash right over your head. Wait a minute, I've got a crowd following me.